Okay, this is what I got. I was looking at SPY, and then I decided to look at QQQ because it's like $150 cheaper or $100 cheaper. So, and that also reflects with the options. So, let's take a look at this. You back it up to 1 hour, and using this UT bot buy and sells, that is pretty straightforward. There's very little chop. I mean, these are like 10, 20, 30 point moves, and with QQQ, we're going to be, see, the current price is at 276. We'll be at about $9, $10 out, which is a good mover, and it's not much erosion. And you can see right here that the high and low of the days is crazy. Previous close 98 cents, 418. I mean, it's moving 3, 4 times. Of course, today was a big move, big drop, but I'm thinking 2, 3, constantly. And now that you're a week out, see, expiring the 21st, that is 1 week and a day. Okay. And then as I make money, I'll just keep on increasing and be more safe as I increase, as I come towards the money. Play 5, 6. See, what is it all the way at the money? Comes up to 7. All right. How did it move today with $7? Not bad, but you'll notice that as you move away from money, the magnification tends to increase. All right, 242, 250, 261, 269%, and all the way up to a certain point, like at 256, like almost $20 out. But I don't want to go out that far because I do think you'll have a problem with erosion if you go out that far. And yeah, it was cheap, 35, 36 cents to one side, but once again, it's too far out. So that's why, I want to get more towards the line, and with bigger money, and it's safer. So once again, let's see, 276, 260, so somewhere around here, you know what I mean? But, it's currently at 405. But that's where I would like to stay. So, if I were going to buy towards the end of the day, I would probably purchase around $4, maybe 430, somewhere in here, and just play it. So back to this. All right. So you might say to yourself, you're watching this go up, right? And it says buy, and so you buy, and it comes up. All of a sudden, you lose a little bit. You missed a peak, and because it didn't say sell to about right here. Okay. There was nothing really, no indicator that really told you it was time to go. All right. So that's why I go to the SPY, but for the same time frame. And the reason why I can, you can't do that with like two different stocks, but since it's an index, and SPY and QQQ are basically the same thing, indexes for the NASDAQ. So it kind of mirrors it. So let's look at SPY for this time period. What's that, May 13th? So flip it over here. So here we go. So we're right here, May 13th. So you see it looks different. So, but here, you could look straight down, and my RSI indicator says it's at the top. You know what I mean? Now, there's other times where it says it's the top, but you don't have to get rid of it yet. So you see it's up here, and that's why I followed this indicator, the ADX. So let's look at this. So right here it says it's the top. Now, when it says at the top, and this is tan, you listen to this and you get out. When it says it's the top here, but you look up and this is colored, that means it's still got some more gas, and you don't necessarily have to, it sort of peaks here. You might want to dump it about right here or so. So, when this indicator's at the top and it's tan, don't wait another day. Bail. Okay? Let's look over here at this top. Alright, it's tan. And you can see, oh, so it cruised on down. That's a real top. Let's look back here. Okay. So it's at the top. Alright. But look, the ADX line's colored. You still have more steam. And it's still going up. So basically, colored, lack of color, tan, means out of gas. gas, out of gas, not much happening. That's when you want to pay attention to these tops. So that's like another signal, like top, bottom, where you know when to get out. I am following this mainly, but I don't want to be in the situation where there's no, like, is this a top? Not really. You know, I don't know. I'd rather know before I see a sell indicator, and then it just falls down to here, and I lose, you know, a little bit of money. So that's when I would, as the day goes on, I mean, this is a 1 hour chart. It's not moving fast. You just keep flipping over and looking for, let's see, I lost my position. Keep looking for the exit signal, and that would be, you know, this is an RSI indicator basically, you know, sell, buy, that kind of stuff. But we're, for buying, we're basically going to be, you know, using this indicator. And I'm going to double check and affirm like any exits with the other one with these tops here. And again, you know, if I see a top and it's tan, listen to it, get out. If I see a top and this is colored, wait a little bit, it's still going to go up more. So that's it, man. That's what I'm doing. And this is a UT bot, and it gives buy and sell signals. And this is the God mode, you know about that. And super trend not really necessary here. Let's make that invisible for now. I mean, it helps with the spikes to get me, you know, when I'm looking at sell. So I just have super trend, CM ultimate. And what that is it's a line that follows it, that the UT bot pretty much covers it. Okay. And this other one over here is ADX 14142035, and that tells me if it's tan or colored, in correspondence to this Stoch plus RSI slow. Okay, so if you have any problems, just freeze the video and then look at the names of these indicators and find them. So you need this one here, this indicator, and then on the other page you need the UT bot, and well, I would give super trend, that helps too. And there you go. God mode, I'm not really using that here. Okay, to find tops or bottoms, I'm using that RSI on that other page. Once again, I'm using this thing and double checking. If this is no color, that means listen to it. It's going to don't hold to the next day. If this tops and you see color, it's not an emergency. You can hold on to it for a while until you see it start to come down, then you can get out. You know, turn tan here, yeah, bail. Alright, that's basically it. Any questions, let me know. Alright, thanks for watching.